Superstars! My name is Miss Sieber. This is my virtual classroom and welcome to Superstar Parking. Last episode we were learning about rounding. Today we are going to be using all of the rules that we learned about rounding and we are going to learn something called estimation. But before we get into my math and my special surprise, you guys know the rules. Everyone take their right hand, put it inside your imaginary backpack, pull out your math thinking cap, put it on, turn it on, kiss your brain, and let's get ready to learn. So we know when we are rounding a number, we are finding about how many or how much of something. We also know that first we find its place, we look to the right, and if the number is 5 or more, we go next door. But if my number is 4 or less, we let it rest. So today we are learning about estimation. What is estimation, Miss Sieber? Well, when we are estimating, we are also finding a number that is close to the exact amount. But we are not just going to be rounding numbers, we are actually going to be doing a little bit of subtraction. All right, superstars, I have a question that I need your help solving. Here's what I want to know. So you guys know how I have Blue, my bird, and Mr. Charlie, my Yorkie? I want to know how many more dog treats are in Charlie's jar of dog treats compared to Blue's big bag of kale, because you guys know Blue's favorite snack is kale. So inside Mr. Charlie's big jar of treats, there is an exact amount of 357 dog treats. Wow, that's a lot. And inside Blue's big bag of kale, there is exactly 124 pieces of kale. You could definitely make some yummy smoothies with all this kale. So I want to know about how many more pieces are in Charlie's jar of treats compared to Blue's bag of kale. Well, let's take a look at how we solve our problem. All right, superstars, I want to know about how many more dog treats does Charlie have than Blue. So hear that keyword about. About means not an exact amount, but just an estimation. So first, we need to round our numbers. So we know that in Charlie's jar of treats, he has a total of 357 treats. We are going to be rounding the highest place value, which is my hundreds. So let's follow my steps and round this number. First, we found my place value. Now, let's look at my number to the right. I could see in my tens place is the number 5. Oh, I tell myself, since the number is 5 or more, we go next door. So the number next door to 3 is 4. And all of these numbers become 0. So 357 rounds to 400. All right, superstars, you guys just helped me figure out that Charlie has about 400 dog treats. Now let's round Blue's kale. We know Blue has 124 pieces of kale. So we are going to be rounding my hundreds place. My next step is to go to the right and my number is 2. We know that 2 is 4 or less, so we let my number rest. So my 1 stays the same and the numbers behind it become a 0. All right, superstars, so we figured out that Charlie has about 400 dog treats and Blue has about 100 dog treats. Now, my last step. I want to know how many more dog treats Charlie has. Well, we know that keyword, how many more, means that we need to subtract. So when we subtract 400 from 100, we know 4 minus 1 equals 3. So Charlie has about 300 more dog treats than Blue. Wow. You guys did an amazing job. Now, you guys know Miss Sieber loves her surprises. So I was wondering, since we figured out how many more treats Charlie has than Blue, what if we now see who likes their treats more, Charlie or Blue? So if you guys are ready, get on your virtual walking shoes and let's go find the animals. All right, superstars, so I put Blue's kale here and Charlie's treats here, and we want to see which animal loves their treats more. So let me go get Blue and Charlie and I'll be right back. All right, superstars, as you can see, Mr. Charlie may or may not be scared of Blue. Charlie, are you okay? Blue is ready for his kale. So are you guys ready to see which animal loves their treats more? Yeah? Are you ready? All right, guys, so I'm gonna take Blue. Oh, oops. Blue, I don't have kale in my hands. All right, let's see which animal likes their treats more. Are you guys ready? On your mark, get set, go! Go, Blue, go! Blue, get your kale. You wanna get your kale? Oh. could see the winner of this question is Mr. Charlie because he hasn't even taken a break from eating all of these treats. So, Blue, are you sure you don't want kale? All right, okay, okay. Oh, listen, please don't yell at me. Thank you. All right, guys, I am giving up on asking Blue if he wants his kale because, listen, Blue, I hear you, okay? You want your kale now? Oh, Blue wants his kale. Yay, good boy. All right, well, Blue's clearly not wanting his food, but I have to take care of my animals and my brain's tired from all of this math. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for learning with me. Bye.